So every week we get together and we open the energies for the week for you by connecting with the messages from both my oracle deck, which one is the Sacred Crystal Codes and the Akashic Realm Messengers. So sorry, Instagram, we just lost Instagram. That was, oh, what do you know, right? Mercury retrograde, here we go. We are actually doing a powerful support during the Mercury retrograde through a session that we offer here in the Institute. Every week we get together and we clear like this, misaligned energy. So we just had an interesting one here, but here we are. So what I'm gonna invite you to do is I already draw the 2 cards for this week. We have 2 powerful Akashic Realm Messengers and Sacred Crystal Codes to support us this week. And I want to invite you to arrive here, right? No matter what happened in the week that passed, this is an opportunity for you to shift how you're holding the people or situation that you experienced in the past week. There's 2 ways to go through life. You can go through life with lightness in your heart, focus, aligned and center, with what you want to create in your life, or you can, allow emotions or feelings hold you back from truly be empowered to support yourself and those who are here to be impacted by your presence, right? So there are always 2 ways, and the way that we hold the experiences that we have can have a profound impact in what the experience that you attract for yourself next, right? So I trust that is making sense for you. So before we go into the session today, I want to invite everyone to participate in a powerful week with me, which is going to start in just a week. Starts on March 2nd. Every day we are going to do a class and a healing session, and those healing sessions are very powerful. If you haven't participated in our Akashic clearings, something's very, 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 very going to bring a lot of shifts and transformation for you. I just did a live in Portuguese and my words are like getting back to the English. But make sure to save your seat. Is akashicrecordsinstitute.com/live. And when you sign up, it's going to invite you to a Facebook group. The Facebook group, it's not open yet. We're going to open as soon as we have 300 members, and we are going to do an exclusive class only for who is inside of the Facebook group. So make sure to get yourself there. It's all Facebook. If you don't have a Facebook, you can, create a profile because it's going to be worth it for you to create a profile just to participate in this training. Every day we're going to have a powerful healing session, and it's going to support you in clear what is holding you back from connecting to your intuition at a deeper level. So the link to join us, it's up here. And now we're going to shift the energy to really fully be present in the now, with the right way of being to move forward this week that is just starting now. So welcome for everyone that is here, and let's get to it. I want to invite you to uncross legs or arms so we can have your energy centers open for this session. Bring your attention to your heart, the window of your soul, and just be present to this moment. Noticing your breath, noticing what you notice in your body. If there is any area that is sore or uncomfortable, just take a nice deep breath and bring your breath to that area, creating space to anything that you're holding on, consciously or unconsciously. And now, as you settle and relaxing in your body, we're going to invite the intelligence of your body to start bringing up your memories, your Akashic memories of the situations, experiences, and people that you got in touch in the week that passed. And we're going to set the intention to connect again with those experiences, but embracing the neutrality and the gift to give yourself permission to see your memories with another eyes, to see yourself in a different light, and anybody that's touched your life in the past week through a different light, a different lens. And when you're ready, you're going to open up those memories to receive them, setting an intention to receive everything that came your way without holding on to emotions or grudge or any interpretation. Trusting that everything that comes your way is supporting you in your path, is teaching something about yourself or others. And there is a huge gift within it. As you do that, I am going to repeat the Ho'oponopono words for you. If you don't know what that is, just be present, emanating love for yourself through these experiences. And I'm repeating the Ho'oponopono, sending the Ho'oponopono for yourself and anyone involved in your experience. Clearing attachments, clearing emotions that are holding you back. Holding you and others in light. And now you have a choice to release anybody's memories from your path, meaning release the weight that you're carrying from any encounters that are holding you back. So you can step into this powerful new week, feeling light, feeling empowered, feeling centered, feeling ready to take the right actions with the right mindset and the right energy to create your best life. And now that you feel more calm, more lighter, imagine that you're passing through this golden tunnel. In this golden tunnel, you're going to choose how you want to feel at every single moment of this week. Choose the way of being that will create the space for what you wanted to experience. And also focus on what you are. Where are you going to put your energy and your actions towards creating this week? Everything is possible when you are focused on the desires, the possibilities that came through your head. If you have the idea, the means is for you to fully live that. So connecting to the identity of you living that reality that is yours, that already exists. The more you connect with that energy, the more you bring that experience to your daily life. Take a nice deep breath. And now let's receive the messages from both the Akashic Realm Messengers and the Sacred Crystal Codes for this week. Now, the Sacred Crystal Codes for this week is the same as last week, which is truth. So I find it very interesting that, you know, out of a huge deck, we got the same card last week and this week, and that is a gift in that, right? There is an invitation to go deeper into your truth, into it may be that the message that came through last week open up the pathway for you so we can go deeper now. So the truth oracle, this oracle comes into your life to reveal hidden truths. The truth can set you free. And many times a spiritual awakening will be manifested after you acknowledge something that you or others may be hiding. Sometimes a wake-up call will get your attention to show you how far you could go. Trust that the events in this life have a deeper spiritual purpose behind them, even when you cannot see or understand it yet. The longer you hold resentment, grudge, anger, the longer you're going to continue attracting situations in your life that is going they're coming, so you can clear that for yourself. There is an energy behind how we hold the experiences that we have, that the more you attach it and the more you hold on to resentment, or this should have done that, feeling unfair, or you're keeping yourself on that energy. And once one thought comes, others will come and will create a thought party in your head, and it's going to be very hard to move forward with lightness. So here you have an opportunity to shift how you see yourself or others. And through the Akashic Records, the biggest gift that I ever had was the opportunity to hold um, to hold others' memories when I'm giving a reading, right? To hold other memories and support them in shifting how they remember and how they are interpreting the memories, because sometimes it is hard to have someone hurt you, to have someone leave you. I had a client once that her husband had left her and she could not go forward. She was in a really difficult time. However, through working with her, through her Akashic records, we could uncover an agreement, a contract between her and that husband, that he would be the person, because his love for her was so deep. It was so important that she received this redirection in her life, that he agreed to be the villain in her life, to be the person who left her. And through that powerful session, everything opened up for her, and she found her path, she found her value, and everything. And the funny thing is that they actually did come back together later. Not necessarily, every time you would come back together with a person, but that was part of their agreement, right? So, but sometimes we hold so much sadness and so much anger and so much resentment, instead of look at the gift that the situation, even a very hard and a very harsh situation, have for us. And it's not easy to get there, but when you give yourself permission, everything starts opening up and changing for you. So these truth cards is talking about the hidden truths, the things that you're not telling yourself, the things you're not telling others, the choices you made in your past that you may feel guilt about. That is where the biggest present for growth for you, when you actually give yourself permission to share that story, the story that you think that nobody would understand or nobody will resonate with, with you, is the story that can make a huge change for you and for others, that can heal other people, that can change, that can save a life. So I feel like there is something about that. That's the reason that, for those of you that are here watching live or the replay, there is a gift in give yourself permission to not judge how people will react to your truth. Because the thing that you're hiding has a huge gift for someone else or for yourself, right? So let's go deeper into truth, into what the message of truth have for you for this week. And now from the Akashic Realm Messengers, the message for this week, the Akashic Realm Messenger that we have this week is Valk. Valk is the number 44 and is the guide of soul evolution. Valk guides your soul as it goes through various balancing points on the path to true expansion. Quickens your journey by laying out, illuminating the lightest and most efficient path. So what does that mean? He guides your soul through the balancing points on the path to expansion. So sometimes these balancing points are situations they're like, why did I attract this situation in my life, right? So see how beautiful how they are like working together, right? This particular message is recognize that every person and situation in your life has been brought to you for your soul expansion. Releasing resistance and accepting everything as it is will allow you to walk the path more easily and with more joy. When you carry, when you worry about what other people said or how people made you feel, you're wasting your energy that could be used for something so much more valuable, right? Than supporting someone, than helping someone, than, bringing your energy on how you can align with your business with with your mission and change lives, right? Isn't that more important than worry about someone else's judgment that whatever was going on and they decide to put that on you? It's so much important to focus your energy on where you can grow and where you can expand, and give your space and your energy for those who are there to receive you in your full light, right? It's so much more important. So I trust that this message today is going to help you to redirect to what is important for you, to start opening, going deeper into what is your truth and how that truth is here. Everything that we live is here to support us in how we can make the world a better place, how we can make the life of one person around you better, right? So wishing you an amazing week. And last reminder, click on the link up here so we can get together for a whole fun week starting next week. We're going to be together from March 2nd through the 10. The 10 I'm flying to Brazil, but we're going to still be together on the last day. We're going to be together for a few days. But from the 2nd to the 7th, we're going to have daily healing sessions. Going to be really powerful to support you in connect to the evolution that your intuition is here to experience. No matter if you ever work with your intuition, or if you've never done, or if you already work a lot with intuition, you're going to expand and grow and go deeper in what in the level that you are. And so that's what I feel like the beauty of this work. I'm always growing and evolving and learning and expanding and improving, working on myself, improving myself, my business. So there is always an opportunity to go deeper. And if you're ready to a amazing 2020, really align and going deeper to your connection, to the evolution of your connection with your intuition, make sure to save a seat. And if you already asked to join the Facebook group, just a little note, we have not opened the Facebook group yet. We are waiting so we can open, like when the group is, we're gonna have like 300 people probably going through this. So when we have 300, then we're gonna open the group right before March 2nd, so I can give my full love and attention. This week, for those of you that have supported the Akashic Realm Messengers Oracle deck, this week I am recording Luminosity course. I already started, it's coming up, very powerful, but I wanted to have the whole course ready to go when I bring you to the members area. So everyone, if you already received your deck, there is a lot of you that have not received the deck yet. So we are, that's where I'm here behind the scenes preparing the Luminosity program and shifting the deck for those of you that have not received it yet. Oh, and Carsani is here. Carsani is my amazing student. She talks English and Portuguese, and she just participated in this workshop in Portuguese, and now we're gonna do it in English, and she already love it, and she's probably gonna do it again because she knows how powerful it was for her. And what's gonna happen, Karsani, we're gonna be able to go even deeper for you. So I'm very honored and excited that you're gonna do again now in English. All right, guys, so have a beautiful week. I'm only looking at the comments from the Facebook page. If you're in the group and you left a comment, I'm going to come back later and send you my love and answer all your questions. If you have any questions, let me know. The link to join us, it's up here, and I'm looking forward to see you very soon when we start. Mwah! Love you. Bye-bye.